Welcome to my channel, everyone. Today I want to show you something that honestly caught my attention, and I think it could be a game changer for anyone looking to start an online store without the usual headaches. We're talking about dropmagic.ai, and let me tell you why this might be exactly what you've been looking for. So here's the thing. Building an e-commerce store traditionally takes weeks or even months. You need to design everything, write all the product descriptions, set up the layout, figure out the branding, and honestly, it's overwhelming. But Dropmagic promises to do all of this in literally minutes using AI. Let me show you how this actually works. When we go to dropmagic.ai, you can use the link below the video to sign up and get 50% off your first 3 months of your subscription. You can see their main promise right here. They say it takes 10 times less time to launch your store compared to traditional methods. Now, I was skeptical at first, but let me walk you through their 3-step process. Step 1 is importing your product. You can grab products from Amazon, AliExpress, Alibaba, or even existing Shopify stores. This saves you about 2 hours, they claim, because you don't have to manually enter all the product details. Step 2 is where the magic happens. Their AI builds your entire store automatically. In seconds, it generates your product descriptions, store layout, branding, and homepage. They say this saves you 40 hours of work, and honestly, after seeing traditional store building, this sounds about right. Step 3 is customizing and publishing. You can tweak colors, text, or sections using their visual editor, then connect it to Shopify and go live. This saves another 10 hours according to them. But here's what really impressed me. Dropmagic isn't just a store builder. It's actually 5 tools combined into one. Let me break this down for you. First, you get an AI e-commerce copywriter that replaces ChatGPT for writing product descriptions and sales copy. Second, you get over 50 conversion-optimized sections. These are pre-built blocks like hero banners and call-to-action buttons that are designed to actually sell products. Third, every store is mobile optimized by default, which is crucial since most people shop on their phones. Fourth, there's an instant branding generator that creates your store name, colors, fonts, and icons automatically. And fifth, you get multilingual copy generation so you can sell to global markets. What I find interesting is that the founders aren't just random tech guys. Loic co-founded Mania, which is a major product research tool doing over $500,000 monthly. Baptiston has coached over 300 students and helped launch 5,000 stores. Nicholas was a product leader at multiple successful startups. These guys actually know e-commerce from experience. Now let me be honest about what this means for you. If you're someone who's been putting off starting an online store because it seems too complicated or time-consuming, this could remove those barriers. The AI handles the technical stuff while you focus on finding good products and marketing. The pricing isn't mentioned on their main page, so you'll need to check that out yourself. But considering they're replacing multiple tools that would normally cost you hundreds of dollars per month, it could actually save you money in the long run. The question is, does it actually work as advertised? From what I can see, the technology looks solid, and the founders have real credibility in the e-commerce space. But like any tool, it's probably going to work best for people who understand the basics of online selling. If you're thinking about trying Dropmagic, I'd say it's worth testing, especially if you want to validate a product idea quickly without investing weeks into building a store manually. The worst-case scenario is you learn whether your product has potential without wasting months of time. That's my take on Dropmagic.ai. Have any of you tried it yet? Let me know in the comments what your experience was like, and if you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tools and strategies to grow your online business. I'll see you in the next video.